Our brother says he wants to go to court. I think he's welcome. You know, when you want to go to court, you don't go to the media. You go to court if you're serious about it. Sometimes people make threats for the excitement of it or to try and show that they are very serious and so on. You go to court, file a matter, then you show the journalists that you have filed a matter. Otherwise, it's just a bluff. So our response is 2 words. Please so. Look, our colleagues, Eddie Mutwe, Achileo Chivumbi, Mugumya, Gaddafi, and Wakabi Grace Smart were arrested the way they were, beaten up. In the case of Eddie Mutwe, it was even worse because it's been displayed all over and so on. Because there are political leaders within Masaka who are instigating this, colluded with some journalists to file these matters to say you were assaulted and so on, and even these other leaders are saying some of their assistants were assaulted and all of that. And that's why some journalists have come out to now disassociate themselves with this whole ploy. They're saying, wait a minute, this is not what we signed up for. And so these people are saying we are being hounded, beaten in Muhoozi's basement because of these leaders, which is a reality. Because these leaders are the ones pushing it. When you read the charge sheet, you see their names all over and their assistants and then these journalists. What do you expect the people of Uganda to think? Because that's the charge sheet. Anyway, so if these leaders within Masaka have, together with these 2 journalists, filed a matter saying assault, for example, what connection do these complainants, these politicians and the journalists have with Muhoozi, for example? Because he's the one abducting these people, putting them in his basement, beating them up and so on. How do the 2 connect? Clearly you are the one causing all of these different things, yeah? The matter of Honorable Segirinya, the late, and the Honorable Alan Sewanyana, which has come up now because of the happenings to the Eddie Mutwes. Good enough. Honorable Alan Sewanyana is one of those. Sadly, Honorable Segirinya died. He hinted about some of these things when he was still alive, complaining and saying, but now we from Kampala, why are we being hounded? Yet there are leaders within Masaka who should be brought to answer these, things that are happening in their area. Why bringing MPs from Kampala? And yet there are these MPs from Masaka. There's that clip making rounds where Honorable Segirinya was saying all of these different things. But good enough, you heard from the horse's mouth, Honorable Alan Sewanyana. He's one of those who were detained.